following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain attorney fee clauses in contracts. These are also known as enforcement clauses, and I think they're one of the most important things to include in any contract you have with anybody. What an attorney fee clause says is that if there's a dispute over this contract, the winner of the dispute will have reasonable attorney fees and court costs paid by the loser of the dispute. And the reason this is so important is twofold. One, a lot of contractual disputes don't have significant damages associated with them. So sometimes you are wronged by the other party and it hurts your business or hurts whatever your situation is if it's not a business contract, but it doesn't make economic sense to pursue litigation against them because even if you win the litigation, your attorney's fees may outweigh whatever you're going to win in the litigation. Or just the fact that even if they're not going to outweigh the litigation, you're going to be cutting into whatever damages you get from the other side by having to pay attorney's fees. Well, if you have the threat of the other side paying attorney's fees, not only does it make it economically feasible for you to pursue meritorious litigation, but it also leads to quicker settlements because both sides know that the longer the litigation goes on, if one side loses, they're going to be on the hook not only for the damages involved in the contract, but also any other attorney's fees that the other side accrues. Now, they've got to be reasonable, but that's still a big sword dangling over your head when you're in litigation. And if you're in the wrong, you're more likely to settle early, and there's a lot less pain involved in a long litigious process. So the main reason that we like attorney's fees is that it allows for meritorious litigation that might otherwise not be economically feasible. It also helps settle disputes in favor of the party who's in the right. The other reason that attorney's fees clauses are really important is that it discourages frivolous litigation. So if somebody sues you and they have no basis for it and they're going to ultimately lose, then you know that you're at least going to have a court order awarding attorney's fees in your favor if you win your case. They know that too, and it encourages them either not to bring the lawsuit in the first place or to settle early because if they have a good attorney, their attorney will say, yeah, you can drag this case out for a year, but if you lose, which you probably will, you're going to be on the hook for the other side's attorney's fees. Now, something that we should point out is that it's not a magic bullet. So just because you're awarded attorney's fees, if you win your case, the court order can say you're awarded damages plus attorney's fees, you still have to be able to collect that from the other side. And some people are what we call judgment proof, where if the other side doesn't have any assets, there's nothing to collect from them. So you're not guaranteed to get your attorney's fees just by having this clause in the contract, even if you win. But it certainly is an extra layer of protection for any contract, because we go into a contract not thinking that we're going to be the ones to breach it. You're not planning to be the one to violate the contract. You want protection against the other side violating the contract, and that's something that's agreeable at the outset of a contract, usually to both sides. And anytime you request an enforcement clause to be in a contract, the other side's attorney will almost certainly agree to it. So please feel free to leave us a comment in our comment section at learn-about-law.com right below our post with any questions. You can also leave it on our YouTube station. If you'd like a free consultation in almost any area of law, we offer them at 630-324-6666, 630-324-6666, and we've got offices all around Chicagoland. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud stations, and thank you so much for listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.